Welcome to the Auckland Library's searching tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the two types of searches effectively to find the items you want easily. The two types of search are catalog and site search and classic catalog. Classic catalog is good if you specifically know the item or author you want to look for already, whereas catalog and site search is better if you've only got a vague idea of what you want. Let's start with catalog and site search. For example, I want to find some books about caring for waterways to stop them getting polluted. The keywords I can think of are river, ecology, care, so I'll type them into the search box. And hit enter or click search to start the search. The results that I get are definitely about rivers and ecology, but not necessarily all about how to care for them. For example, this one here is rivers and wetlands, which is not really about how to care for waterways. So if I look at the refine options, which are over here, and go down to subject, I have a look at the subjects and see that there's one which says stream conservation, which is exactly what I want. It's about caring for rivers and waterways. So I click on that, and I can see that the two books that I've now got are both definitely about caring for waterways. I've also learnt that another keyword for my topic is conservation. So I could go back to the start and search for river conservation to get more results. Let's go back to the start now. So we've done a search where we've only got a vague idea of what we want. Let's now try a search for something when we've got a very specific idea of what we want. Let's say I want to find books, only books by the author Dave Gorman. This is where the classic catalog will be much better. So let's click on classic catalog. So for the author Dave Gorman, I click on author in this drop-down box and then enter in his name with his surname first and then his first name, because that's how it's entered on the catalog. So it says Gorman Dave 1971, and I can see that all these books are by the author that I want. Let's take another example and say that I just want to find Are You Dave Gorman by Dave Gorman. So I'll type in, first I'll select title. So I'm looking for the title of the book. And then I can enter Are You Dave Gorman? And there it is, Dave Gorman. So if I want to find a specific item and I already know exactly what I want, then the classic catalog is a quick and easy way to do that. So now you know how to find an item if you specifically know what you want, and how to find some items if you've only got a vague idea of what you want, using the classic catalog and the catalog and site search. Thanks for viewing this tutorial.